Okay, here we go. Let's start the day with a squirrel. Let's see, squirrel. Where is that squirrel? It's a squirrel headed. There it is. Wow. Got scared because there's a bike. Ooh, it got really scared. It's alright, little fellow. It started off with a squirrel, and that is a good thing because there's a lot going on today. So, wait, should I have done that? Or maybe I should have shot it like this. I should have shot the whole video this way. But you know, it's fine. This is the Marco Reviews channel, and we're good with squirrels and being squirrely, aren't we? The sun is popping through those trees over there.
Likey